Facts that will mess with your perception of time. Queen Elizabeth II and Marilyn Monroe were born in 1926. The Ottoman Empire still existed when Walt Disney released his first cartoons. Oxford University is older than the Aztec Empire. Leonardo da Vinci was 40 years old when Christopher Columbus discovered America. In 1969, the Apollo 11 computer had less memory than a modern-day Wi-Fi toaster. The world's oldest living tree, the Methuselah pine located in California, is older than the Pyramid of Khufu, Cheops. Cream Puff is the oldest cat that has ever lived in recorded history. He was 38 years and 3 days old. There were 97 years between Alexander Bell's invention of the corded telephone and the first mobile phone. The pound sterling is the world's oldest currency, which has been in circulation for more than 1,200 years and is the main currency of the United Kingdom. Fresh meat or chicken can be injected with brine, water with salt and spices. In the US, the producer must indicate the percentage solution. Contains up to 15% solution. You pay for the weight of the water. Want pure meat? Look for no added solution. Added sugars are disguised under dozens of names: corn syrup, cane juice, dextrose, maltose, agave, brown rice syrup, etc. Although labels in the US already show added sugars, manufacturers sometimes divide sugar into several different ingredients to reduce the visual impression of its quantity. Growers apply food-grade wax, beeswax, carnauba, shellac, etc. to apples to retain moisture, prevent spoilage, and add shine. The amount is minimal and considered safe, but you can wash or peel the skin thoroughly if you wish. Farmed salmon meat is creamy pale in color, so they add astaxanthin to the feed to make the meat pink for better sales. Fact number 1. In 1928, Alexander Fleming forgot to wash his Petri dish. When he returned, he saw that the mold had destroyed the bacteria. This was the birth of penicillin, the first real antibiotic that saved millions of lives. Fact number 2. In 1886, Carl Benz created the first car that changed the world and launched the era of modern life. Fact number 3. In 1876, Alexander Bell patented the first telephone, making real voice communication possible and uniting the world. Fact number 4. In 1895, Wilhelm Röntgen was experimenting with cathode rays and saw bones in his wife's hand. It was from this moment that the era of X-rays began, which became the basis of the device that saves thousands of lives every day. Fact number 5. The internet started as a military communications project in the 1960s, ARPANET. Today it connects more than 5 billion people, changing lives, education, and work. Did you know that approximately 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, but 97% is salt water, and another 2% is in glaciers? Only 0.007% is available for drinking water, a tiny fraction of the world's supply. You will be surprised to learn that the adult human body is made up of approximately 60% water. Every heartbeat, every nerve impulse, and every muscle movement depend on water molecules. What if ice, liquid, and vapor all existed at the same time? At 0.01 degrees C and 611 Pa, water reaches the triple point. All three states coexist. This is how physicists calibrate thermometers with atomic precision. What's faster than a Formula One car and falls from the sky? Meet the peregrine falcon. In a hunting stance, it folds its wings, becomes a living rocket, and reaches a speed of 389 km/h. What is faster than a submarine and swims underwater? The sailfish cuts through the ocean at a speed of 110 km/h. It is the fastest fish on the planet. Its spear beak reduces pressure and the sail flattens for maximum streamlining. From 0 to 100 km in 3, 2, already. The cheetah accelerates to 100 km/h in less than 3 seconds, faster than most supercars. You know for sure that the solar system is our cosmic home, but do you know what secrets it hides? Then get ready. We are going to show you facts that will change the way you think about space. Fact number 1. A day is longer than a year on Venus. It rotates on its axis in 243 Earth days, while it revolves around the Sun in only 225 Earth days. This means that it takes longer for Venus to spin on its axis than it does to go around the Sun. Fact number 2. The hottest planet in the solar system is not Mercury, as you might think, but Venus. Its atmosphere creates a greenhouse effect, heating the surface to over 460 degrees Celsius. Fact number 3. This is not fiction, but a scientific fact. On Saturn, it really rains from diamonds. Yes, real diamonds. Fact number 4. Moon's perpetually shadowed craters have been found to contain genuine water ice, according to scientists. This discovery could be key to future lunar bases, as ice is a source of water, oxygen, and even rocket fuel. Fact number 5. On distant Neptune, winds of enormous strength rage. Their speed can reach 2,100 kilometers per hour, which is faster than the speed of sound on planet Earth. Did you know that, as of July 24th, 2025, Mr. Beast has about 416 million subscribers on YouTube, and he adds about 300,000 new ones every day. Just imagine, Mr. Beast, together with Mark Rober in 2019, launched a fundraiser with the message $1 equals 1 tree. So Team Trees has raised over $24 million and has so far planted over 24 million trees around the world. In November 2023, the Mr. Beast team built 100 wells in Cameroon, Kenya, Somalia, Uganda, and Zimbabwe, providing clean water to about 500,000 people. To celebrate reaching 100 million YouTube subscribers in 2022, Mr. Beast entered 100 fans into a contest, and one of them won a private island worth approximately $1.7 to $1.8 million. Lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun, approximately 30,000 degrees Celsius versus approximately 5,500 degrees Celsius. A banana is a berry, but a strawberry is not. Honey practically does not spoil. Honey found in ancient tombs remained edible even after centuries. Oxygen on Earth. More than half of all oxygen on Earth is produced not by forests, but by oceanic phytoplankton microorganisms. Is it true that bananas are radioactive? Yes, it's true. The level of radiation emitted by bananas is extremely low and completely safe for humans. The average cumulus cloud weighs approximately 500 tons, roughly equivalent to 100 elephants. Flamingos are born gray. They get their pink color from eating shrimp and algae that contain carotenoids. The Earth revolves around the Sun at a speed of about 107,200 kilometers per hour, but we don't feel it. Did you know that elephants are not only extremely intelligent creatures, but also real long livers, especially Asian elephants? They can live up to an impressive 80 years. The Moluccan cockatoo is a real pet entertainer and the life of the party. These talkative birds are adored by everyone around them. Hay can live up to 90 years old. You'll be surprised to know, these giant tortoises are true land-long livers. The oldest Galapagos tortoise was 175 years old. Unbelievable, but true. Bowhead whales can live for over 200 years. In 2007, a whale was found with a harpoon in its body that had been released back in the 1800s. Can you imagine? A fact that few people know about. The oldest known animal is a mollusk named Ming. Its age is more than 507 years. Shocking truth. A jellyfish called Turritopsis dohrnii, known as the immortal jellyfish, can return to the state of a child and start life again. Scientifically, it is potentially immortal. Did you know that? A boiled egg with yolk contains 70 calories, while a boiled egg without yolk contains only 17 calories, about 4 times less. It may seem incredible, but 100 grams of boiled potatoes contain 85 calories, and 100 grams of boiled rice 135 calories. You will be surprised to know that 100 grams of milk chocolate has 530 calories, and 100 grams of strawberries have only 30 calories. Just imagine, 100 grams of chips have 550 calories, and a 100-gram apple has 52 calories, which is about 10 times less. Shocking difference. 100 grams of mayonnaise has 680 calories, and 100 grams of sour cream 10% has 115 calories, which is about 6 times less. Unexpectedly tasty and dietary, 100 grams of cucumbers have about 15 calories, and 100 grams of tomatoes have about 18 calories.